Hi everyone, my name is Raquel Andre and I am your instructor, and I'm here to show you how to navigate any of these classes on Canvas that I teach. Okay, so I'm here as a student, so you can see the course as a student. Okay, so here if you click here, that's the home page. So on your home page, my laptop is small, so this could be parallel or this could be leveled like this. Like here you have information on me. If you click here, you go to modules, and here you also have the link to Zoom. Okay, so if you click here, it goes down here. That's the way you're going to contact me. I prefer you contact me via Canvas inbox. And this is my phone number, and this phone number is for text message. And also here you have the Zoom link, and in case you are on your phone, this is the ID for Zoom. Okay, my office location is by appointment only, and it is in building H, room 302. Okay, so here I have a brief welcome to you, and if you click here, you go to modules, but you can also go to modules here. Here you have announcements, so by clicking here, you have the announcement for the day. So far, I don't have any announcement posted here. Here is the link for Zoom, and here for modules. So when you come to modules, I would like you to come here and do these activities for week 0 before you come to class next week. Classes start on Tuesday. Okay, so here you have the information about myself, where you're gonna see where you have this video, and also course information where you have the syllabus. Okay, so you're gonna click here. I'm gonna open in a different tab, and so you have meet the instructor and course information. Okay, so here's the purpose of this activity is for you to have information about myself and a brief description of the course. So you're going to watch the video, read the syllabus, and answer the question. So click here and take the quiz. Okay, and please read the syllabus and answer the questions. Step number 2, you're going to pay for your tuition. So here you have information on how to pay for tuition. In case you cannot pay this time, you can submit a waiver. That means that you don't need to pay, but then you have to submit that form. Okay, then you're going to come here and you're going to introduce yourself. So this is very important. I would like you to do this before coming to class. So read the information on here and answer the post your introduction with your name, talking about your family, where you are from, so we get to know you. And here you have a very important exercise, which is setting up your Google Doc. We say Google Docs. It's an app, so I use Google Doc all the time, or any other Google app like Google Slides. And you need also, first of all, you need to link your Google account, your Gmail account, to Canvas. So this exercise is going to guide you on how to link your Gmail account to Canvas, so you can open these documents on Canvas or out of Canvas. If you don't have a Gmail account, you're gonna have to open an account. Okay, so for here, these exercises are important before you come to class, and you have to complete all. Okay, so these are the modules. You can collapse all. All right, so then you have here, or you can expand all, or you can come here and just collapse this one. You have to complete all the items, and as you do that, you're gonna have a check mark as you complete them. Okay, so then you come here. Here you have a how-to videos. So these are tutorials on how you're going to use Canvas if you need to record, upload images, how to use Zoom, and how to use CTC Link. Okay, and here is the introductions of the course and overview. So this is week 1, and this is what we are going to see in class next week when classes start. But in order to have access to this module, you need to complete week 0 first. Okay, so this is how you access your class. Here you have your syllabus. So you're gonna come here and read the information. This is the contract I have with you, and it's very important that you read this. When you have assignments, when I grade your assignments, or when I leave comments or feedback, you're gonna come here and check your grades over here. Okay, so again, we're gonna talk about this more in class. My name is Raquel Andre, and it's a pleasure to have you in my class, and I'm look forward to meeting you next week. Thank you. Bye.